Now watch this. Remember I told you never look at the word as the minimal unit of meaning. What must we always look at as the minimal unit of meaning in language? It's called a what? Morpheme. This word contains two morphemes. You see them there? Two morphemes. This part in Greek means have. And this part means I. Stop right there. Listen, folks. This is what inflection is. That's all it is. You have a verb stem, and in this case you have an affix, which we call, what kind of an affix? Is this a prefix, infix, or suffix? Suffix. See it there? A suffix. That's how you say, I have. That would be the first person singular, right? So let's erase this. This is the first person singular. I have. Now notice, this is you have. How many morphemes does ekes contain? It contains two. What does ek mean, class? Have. What does ace mean, class? You. Got it? That's how it works. Look at this verb here, eke. What does ek mean, class? Have. What does a mean, class? He. So translate eke. He has. All right? Now we're going to take a break in just 1 minute, but before we do, I want to explain two things to you, and then we're going to take a break. This morpheme, it has a name to it, and I'm going to give you the name to it right now. And you don't need to write this down because it's in the book. I call this a lexical morpheme. Why do I call it a lexical morpheme? I call it a lexical morpheme because it contains the lexical or dictionary meaning of the word. Okay? Ek is a lexical morpheme because it contains the lexical or dictionary meaning of the word. What does ek mean, class? It means have. Okay? So stop right there. Ek is a lexical morpheme. Now watch this. I call this morpheme a person number morpheme, or a person number suffix. Why, Dr. Black, do you call it a person number suffix? Because it tells me two things about the verb. What two things? It's person and it's number. Can you tell me what person and what number? What person? First. What number? Singular. Do you see how that works? So echo, class, listen carefully. This is so simple because, listen, language is mathematical. Language has mathematical precision. Language is logical. Why? Because God made it. God does everything perfect. And He wants us to understand how this language works. Not just memorize echo, ekes, eke, ekamen. No! I want you to see it and understand how the language works. Never look at the word as the minimal units of meaning, right? We're always going to look at the what? The morpheme. This word contains how many morphemes, class? Two. Name them for me from left to right. Lexical and person number suffix, right? This is the lexical morpheme. This is the person number. Why, Dr. Black, do you call this the lexical morpheme? Because it contains the lexical or dictionary meaning of the word. Why, Dr. Black, do you call this the person number suffix? Because it tells me two things about the verb. What two things does it tell me? It's person and it's number. Can you tell me which person it is? First. Can you tell me what number it is? Can you please translate for me now, class? Echo. I have. You have just translated Greek.